of MN 2102 to our underground coal mining methods. This is our lecture 2 on 15th December 2020 through our MS Team online lecture series. If you are ready, I can start or I can wait for your class representative to respond to me.
Sir,
If you
wait
are
for
ready, we can start the class. Yes.
sir, wait for 2 to 3 minutes, sir. Students are joining.
Yes,
So
very nice. So we will start after 2-3 minutes. And in general, when there were regular classes, I used to give a grace time of about 5 minutes, and that is for shifting from one classroom to other classrooms, depending on the request of our beloved students, because some students used to come from a lecture hall somewhere else, may take 10 minutes. But since this is our wonderful arrangement of online lectures, I hope the delay may not be required. We are not shifting from one room to other room, but still I give importance to learning based education. Already I told you. So depending on your convenient time, we do that. You can tell me when to start. Meanwhile, I can also take up some queries based on the discussions yesterday. Even you can also write in this chat box, and whenever you say for taking attendance, that also I can download. So this attendance will be used, whatever is saved, and which I used to keep for information of all our beloved students in the MS team as a file also. And all this information, including these PPTs, whatever information I send, will be maintained by our class representative. So anybody who misses any connectivity problems, so that information will be useful. And if any queries, definitely we can discuss. This need not be based on only what we discussed, but in general about anything about underground coal mining methods related to our subject, discuss till your other good friends having good discipline, punctuality, everything, till they join, we can utilize that time. May I have any queries from anybody? Can I take attendance now? What is the time, class representative, madam?
8-2, sir.
8-2. So it is just, I will be generally downloading attendance and try to keep it. And that also shows how punctual, how disciplined we are. And that is also required as a part of becoming a complete human being, complete technologist, engineer, whatever it is. It is not only just technology being taught, along with that, all the required qualities to be improved, skills to be improved on the, as I reiterate again and again, with the new education policy aiming for multidisciplinary, we are a step ahead on transdisciplinary areas. I would like all my beloved students to become experts in their own area of the field, which is useful for the mining industries. Okay. Now I downloaded attendance also once now. Generally, I will be doing it twice or thrice. Sometimes that may not get downloaded. Now I am sharing the slides. You just tell me whether it is visible or not. Because already, yesterday already you have seen while recording, there were in between some problems. That's why just I tried to keep it in this MS Team also. Only partly being recorded, and because of some connectivity problems, it was not happening. So that's why at least our CR and others, I suggest them, if they have that facility to record, that can be done, and that will be made as a YouTube link, and they will be maintaining it as a file of all those materials. On this, any doubt? Maintaining all the information. Yogita madam?
No doubts.
Very good. So yesterday's information you could upload in a YouTube link and create it. Of course, that was not fully recorded. Whatever could be done, I think I kept it there. And I can make you owner of this group also, where I was not knowing at that time when I created it. That's why I kept 2-3 of your students in the owners list. Later, Yogita madam or whoever are the CR, they will also be able to do all that. Now I am sharing the slide or my screen for that matter. Let me know whether that is visible to you or not. Are you able to see? Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this is our, so shall I start now? You want some more grace time to start our lecture of today? Is it sufficient? Somebody should respond to me. Then I can go further.
Yes, sir, it is.
Very good. So this is our second lecture on 15 December 2020 at 8 a.m. Yesterday, your CR madam was punctual and meticulous, correcting the time from 9 a.m. to 8 a.m. So here, as we discussed yesterday, based on interest of the students that is expressed yesterday, so I will be showing you some videos and photographs of underground coal mines. Since yesterday, few people, I think very few, one or two, told that they visited the mines. I wish before generally going further, even with the syllabus, you should understand what is underground mine. So I will be virtually taking my beloved students of MN 2102 underground coal mining methods into the underground coal mines. And here, before showing the video, let me show you some of the photographs, and the video will be on a prestigious experimental trial of simultaneous extraction, which is done for the first time in the world, international scenario, as a part of our funded project at RK8 incline that I will be showing you later, and photographs of the mines where we are doing, or we did some investigations in design of the methods and other support systems, rock mechanics, and other issues. Ultimately about underground coal mining methods also I will be showing you. Now, is this photograph very clear? I'm taking you to GDK 8 incline of Singareni College Company Limited, just as a case study here. So this is the entrance of a mine, how it looks like. This is an incline of GDK 8 incline, but now this is closed, and we were doing investigations for their blasting gallery method. And here is our beloved members, officials, who is a regional in charge, R&D department, Mr. Sridhar. strata control engineer for the total region of Ramagundam area, Singareni collieries, and is a deputy general manager, Ramana. Then others in the group. You can, now we are going inside the mine. Are you able to see this? At least one person should respond to me.
Yes, sir.
Anybody? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is
Sir.
an incline into the mine, and this entry can be many ways: shafts, declines, and other. As we discussed, of course, was also taught to you as a part of your other courses like development of mineral deposits. Now you see, somebody who can read Telugu language, they can see this, where they are welcoming us to GDK number 8 incline, and there are some good captions here. Duty జీవితాన్ని ఇస్తుంది, కానీ safety జీవితాన్ని, what should be done? Others can respond to me later. So this is the
Slide is
mine.
not there.
This is not visible.
So we are stick on a constant
sir.
slide with C8 incline.
Now,
Yes, sir.
is it visible
Yes, sir.
or
Now
not?
it's visible.
Yes, sir. It is
Okay.
visible now.
That sometimes it may take time, right? So now we are entering inside the mine, and this is a thick seam number 3 of about 10 meters, and along the floor level you can see how it is being developed, and support
Yes, sir.
systems of vertical support, hydraulic props and crossbars, how it was installed here. Now I have so many videos and photographs, but I am showing only limited, so that depending on your interest, of course, we will be discussing so many issues and for those who are interested to learn more, we will be giving a lot of information. And this is how it appears when you are entering inside the gallery. Of that method they used was blasting gallery method along the floor of this, then incline on the sides. This is a coal. This is around 4.8 meters width, and height is of about 3 meters.
Excuse me.
In between also you can ask if you feel
Hello.
any doubt, so that I wish that you should feel as if you are entering along with me into the mine, and you should have that feeling of understanding how an underground coal mine appears. You are coming with me into the mines. You feel like that. I am not hypnotizing my beloved students, but you should get
These are the
hypnotized
dimensions
to
of
understand
gallery.
better. And Sudeshna madam, and no, our Yogita madam, you can unmute others so that there will not be any disturbance. And those who are trying to respond, they can only, otherwise others let it be muted. They only can unmute and talk to me. That becomes easy for others without any noise. So this is inside the mine, how they maintain
sir.
different plants and other things. And now,
Sir,
yes,
So someone
sir,
has
Karthik
texted me in the
wants to ask something.
any problem?
I am the CR. Someone has texted me that he is not added to the group and he is not able
So
to
no
join.
problem. What I should do that?
Sir,
You
add
tell
him
me
so that he
that
can join the
to
class.
add, okay,
Yes.
these things they can tell me later also after the class, because
He will be
he is
absent now.
supposed to have that much responsibility, and responsibility of the CR also, right? Because
But
there will be so
Yogita is
many
the owner.
students
I am not the
registering at different times. Okay, and if there is any procedure to be done from my side, you tell me to add into the group, but we should not waste time in doing that now, but I will do that. Now they should write here who are they to add. I can just
Yes.
give the number here. Yeah, what is the number? Tell me.
So
To be
119,
added.
119
119
MN
MN
0774.
0774. Okay. So
Yes,
this is Nigam Mahanti added.
yes,
I kept it in participants. You must be getting some calling, something like that,
yes, sir, maybe, sir.
as per this procedure. Are you getting it or not? Because I added into these, I mean, in the participants, right? And any other procedure to be done, you can tell, right? Shall we continue the class?
Yes, sir.
All these informations, Yogita madam, you should coordinate, and when there is no class, at that time itself you can inform, so that in between and calling also into that team, you must have got it. You should say yes or no, and then we will go further. Already some students are there in the owner here. They can also do that. Okay.
But we can add
Shall
it to
we
the
go
meeting, but not
further?
in the team.
Should we go further?
Yes, sir, continue.
Very good. So you are able to see the slides. So this is our dedicating line. There may be some problems when you take photographs. In fact, photography is not permitted here, I should tell you, in the mines, but with special permissions and all precautions that should be taken here, because of moisture and all these type of problems will come. But here, the point is, you can see these W straps used as a support system in the roof, and other details, of course, again, we'll be discussing, but you feel that you are entering inside and see how it appears. And when you enter into the panel, here is a load haul dumper. You can see the persons near the GOF edge, almost this side it is a GOF, and the support systems and all you are able to see with the W straps and other things. This is your load hull dumper, which is having around 8 meter, 9 meter remote wire also, so that this can enter inside the GOF, but your operator will be outside. And of course, these are different views, and how you can see here. This is a place of 20 north rise of this much 60 level, something like that. This is that junction, that place. How these sides of the seam, how it appears at the junction, you can see with different type of support system like your W strap and all, how safe they are feeling and trying to understand further design of the mining methods and changes in the methods, some scientific ways of improving their safety, conservation, production, productivity, all. Now you can see some type of whitewashing. Washing doesn't mean with a surf or rin, though this is a stone dust generally to prevent exposure of this coal for spontaneous heating. And you can see you are entering inside the mine at different places where there is a roof stitching. I hope you are able to these. I think I can make it even in a bigger scale. Yes, you can see here the bolts and stitching with the rope. It's called a rope stitching. Then how it
Sir?
appears, you can see. Yes. Any problem?
Sir, can you explain the roof part again?
This is a roof. Now we are standing, means our height is around 1.6 meter, right? Whatever, 6 feet or 5 feet. Then this total height is around 2.5 to 3 meters height. So this is your roof. Okay. as if you are sitting in your home, so your top is a roof like this. Okay, and I will be showing you later a video also, right?
Sir,
But
the,
before
sir, the
showing
whitewash.
video,
Sir, the
before showing the
whitewash
video, whitewashing means it is a stone dust generally we apply so that this coal should not be exposed to the general atmosphere for a long time, which may lead to fires and which may lead to spontaneous heating. You got the point? Any further
Yes,
doubt
sir.
here?
No,
Okay,
sir. Got it.
right. We go further. Right. So these are of course different type of instrumentation, like these are a telltales, rotary type telltale, auto warning type telltales. Telltales means it is something like I am telling tales to you, stories, right? So like that about that roof or anywhere, what is happening to that roof, any separation and all. So that can be measured. The details anyway we will be discussing later. Now this is a close view of that. So generally this is installed in the roof, and whenever there is any change, some separation, that will be indicated here. Simple mechanical device, rotary type telltales like that. And this is similar telltale, but it is auto warning when this is a green, yellow, red, three colors. So we can set the limit after 5 millimeter of separation, 10 millimeter of separation. If it is going into any danger limit, then we keep it in the red color. So that any person who is working, he need not know scientifically everything or measure anything, but he can see the color and say that yes, there is a roof coming down 5 millimeter down, 10 millimeter down and all. And here, all these instruments are there in our, some of the instruments in our ground control laboratory also. When you come back, definitely I will be showing you, and there are so many projects that we are undertaking, and our BTech, MTech, PhD projects are all problem solving for the present industries. And those interested, whether you are in second, third, fourth, whatever years, they can also get associated anytime. Now, we are going into a GDK 10 incline. That was GDK 8. Only few I showed, but there are so many. Then in 10 incline, just entering, now you can see there it was a long wall panel. Even Adriala project is also part of it, which is a prestigious project in collaboration with CSIRO Australia. Here, now you can see different ways how we are entering inside after entering into the mine, and from some place to other place. This is called a chairlift system, where when it is a 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers to travel, then at least we are using this so that you will be reaching the working phases at shorter time, as well as with saving your human health and energy. So that is, yesterday also I should give best wishes on Energy Conservation Day, which we celebrated yesterday. So it will be conserving our health or energy, right, to reach the place. Otherwise, you will be exhausted traveling 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometers from the mine entry or from one place to other place inside the mine. So this is a chairlift system, man riding systems. There are so many systems. This is one being used at GDK 10 and many mines in India. Now, we are entering inside the long wall panel. I hope you are able to see here the entry. Welcome, long wall panel number 3D1. These are the places. And this is my transdisciplinary group of electronics, electrical, computer science students. I mean, project officers who are working with me in the projects. And of course,
Sir?
some of them also done their PhDs and all. Yes.
Sir?
Excuse me, sir.
Any problem?
Next slide is not visible, sir.
That
Achha.
slide is
So
not changed.
sometimes this type of connectivity problems may be there. You can remind. And now are you able to see this? Because there is a
No, sir, your slide is stuck in that red color.
solution. Connectivity or whatever bytes and other things to be transferred. Otherwise, also don't worry. We have some other options. Is visible? Yes, no. Or otherwise,
Yes, sir. CDK 1089.
it is visible, right? Okay. So instead of making it full screen, I will be keeping it like this. Okay. Then I am changing this. Now you see, is it GDK 10 incline? So this is a working section just I showed, because you should also have some idea of where that coal is being worked, and there the depth cover is around 200 meters. Sometimes we are working at different depth covers, maybe up to 600 meter we are doing it, and we are not in India. In the world, when you see the deepest coal mines reach some of these points, you try to note down, right? So some of the mines in US, Utah area, and in China, they worked even up to 1100 to 1200 meters, 1.1 kilometers. Now I mean my beloved students in the next generations, you have to work that type of depth covers also. Deep sea mining is required, but here it is around 200 meters as per this working section. Otherwise, at different places, 300, 400 meter also is being worked in these mines. Here where we were doing investigations in the design of mining method. Now here you can see you are entering into the longwall panel, and this is, of course, you can see, I don't know whether it may be very clear, but you can see some mesh, iron mesh also is used, so that you will feel highly comfortable. It is not highly comfortable, but also whenever there is a tendency of this roof to flake or part, and then in small pieces also if it is falling, there we have a suggestion for improving the safety and safety by different type of support systems. That, of course, as a chapter we will be reading it, don't worry, but now you feel you are entering inside and how it appears. Now when you see this is the way how this appears, then entering beyond, now different type of bolting even on the sides and other places, roof. Sometimes there is some fault plane, small fault plane, some roof falls, and giving additional supports. All those things are done so that we should secure sides, and these are the places where if it is more height, then with a girders and then cogs set over that with laggings, again is the roof. All those things are done. So you are entering inside through the gate roads. Some gate roads are main gate, and this is a tail gate. Then you have different other type of instruments. Here you can see our Nagendra also, who was working with me in the project. Now he's a director of mine safety in the DGMS. Now here you can see some of the instrumentation like extensometers to measure how much is it's getting parted, bed separations. And so we take all these precautions, and all these are possible only with our more scientific advancements, and advancements not only in mining, but also in other multidisciplinary areas where I used to give a lot of emphasis since 2006. And now also it is there in our new education policy 2020 to impart multidisciplinary research all the time. Now you see the same, you can see a little closer view of the roof installed instrumentation and all, how it appears, so that when you see this, if it is in a different color and other things, then people will realize that this roof is coming down by 10 millimeter, 20 millimeter.
Sir,
If it
we are in the
exceeds this
previous
other.
slide, sir.
Now, who is talking? Whenever you ask, you should give your name and then ask, so that it is easy for me to note down in my diary also, because these are the persons who are attending, right? So, any doubt in this? Now you feel that you are entering inside, right? The mind, and now you see this type of supports with hydraulic props and also stitching, and then also your instrumentation like telltales, then extensometers of different type, and how it appears. You can see here nicely stone dust and looking white. Otherwise, and stone dusting means it is just the limestone and this inert powder to be just put on the sides and the roof, so that exposure of this coal will be minimum for spontaneous heating and fires. Now you can see little bit closer of region, well,
The sound is gone, sir.
including any problem.
Your voice,
I
audible.
could hear your voice. Any problem?
But we can't.
We
sir.
can't hear your voice properly. Sir, voice is not clear, sir.
Acha, voice is not clear. Acha. Many times these type of problems are taking place. Now, since these are the photographs, now what I do is here, let me make a small break and let me take up your queries. Your queries. You write it here. If there is any problem, write here. If any problem with voice. And my CEP question for today. Now you tell me whenever you are hearing my voice, then I will continue there. My question for today is, what are the variants of long wall you learned before? You may also write here and respond. Meanwhile, I show video of UG mine. Is my voice clear? Is my
Yes, sir.
voice? It is clear now.
Yes,
So
sir.
let us
Yes.
utilize. Let us utilize all these, and also you can make. There is another way that may be little disturbing, but still, I told you be in a position to solve any type of problem as a mind, keeping this
Your voice is
in the
gone again, sir.
speaker mode, so that you can hear my voice through her phone also, if I have a problem of connectivity. I hope this is clear. Yes, no. Now I will continue. Shall I continue now? So this is
Yes, sir.
this is our GDK 8 incline. So let me see whether, okay, right. This is our long wall panel, and this is a tailgate. That is a return airway generally used. And why I am telling these names are, whenever anybody goes for training, they will be meeting our Sridhar, right? And whenever anybody is going to discuss with DGMS or safety, they will be meeting our Nagendra. Okay, right. So now these are the different views, how we are measuring. Now you can see with the instrument, how much load is coming on that. Whatever designs we do, then how it is being measured, you see here, right? With the instruments, and then of course, other details, definitely we will be discussing in further classes. And then now you see how convergence is convert in addition to can measure even the roof sag and other things, which helps in our designing of the method as well as improving the methods over the design. That means you may design assuming some condition, some equations, some models, but modify it. For modifying, these are the observations required. So few just I showed to you. And this is on the almost on the main gate side, on the long wall. This is a long wall shield support, right? I'm showing only little bit. Then you see in the main gate or tailgate, we have this type of wire netting and other type of supports. And you can see how it appears in the just adjacent to the gate. This is a gate, I mean main gate or tailgate, and the shield which is nearby that. And this is a GOF, another side. So now with that, I would like to stop showing about the mine, long wall and BG. I hope you must have got some idea about the mine. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So now I give a lot of importance, not only just simple technology, but also in view of our new education policy, right? So to make you more research oriented. Education, academic and research are like two sides of the coin, right? Let us not spend more time on this. And for this, you should have a third eye to be opened like our Einstein. When a apple falls and something happens in the mind, how to change the design, how to get something out of it, and how to develop some new science. That is the reason why I used to tell my beloved junior scientists and whoever are the deputy directors from DGMS and other people who come to me, I used to tell that, you see, only scientists are allowed to do nonsense things. Nonsense. That is a bad word being used, right, by your parents also. But that is a very good word for the scientists, because new science can be developed only when you do something nonsense, right? And only scientists for that matter are allowed even to take this type of photographs. Why I'm telling this, I will tell you later, right? So you should have that third eye vision, but that is possible only and by different problems are there in our mining methods, okay? But we have different departments in our NIT Rourkela. It can be computer science, it can be electronics, it can be, because you must have seen mechanical. We are using large capacity machines, short wire, long wall machinery, and so many things. And only mining engineer cannot do that, okay? So I am encouraging my students to work with and have that vision, that type of tendency to understand. Even when I was in charge for the machine mining district in 1986, that time in the largest mine in Singareni at that time, then my manager was better than a mechanical and electrical engineer as far as that instrument or that machinery like LSD or shearers are concerned. So that type of tendency, that type of vision should be there for our beloved students who are next generation scholars, scientists, engineers, if not CMDs, chairmen, of course, general managers and all. Okay, I would like to promote in that way. So for that, you have to look deep into the nature. That's what I try to make you to understand going into the total subject, and you will understand everything better when you go deep into that. That is not just told by me, but it was already told by our none other than Albert Einstein, whom I then the only source of knowledge. I hope he follows, right? So you should have that, and
So your voice is gone again.
education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. And
Sir, you are muted.
Sir, sound is not coming, sir.
Sir, hello.
the
So your
Sir,
voice is gone.
important thing is not to stop questioning. This is to
Sir, voice is not coming, sir.
encourage by our students.
Yes, sir. I have called you. You told.
Whenever you feel to ask.
Very nice. Now you keep it in the speaker phone, right?
Yes, sir.
Now is everybody able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, but lots of re-echo is there.
Without wasting much time. Now it is 8:39. Okay, right. Now it is just to tell you to encourage you for our society and mining industry. Now, already you have seen some of these photographs. Just it is showing little bit some more views of that Longwall mine at GDK 10A. And this is a stowing channel again in GDK 18th line, where number 14. Then these are different views of Longwall and other places. Here you can see Longwall supports being monitored. This is on the other side of the Longwall phase, working phase. And this
So
is
there
on
is
the
no slide being.
other entries already are. Main gate. In the main gate, now you can see here how this belt conveyor is there, and you can this is the top one is working phase. It faces able to see the number of shield also 87. Okay. Now this is the main gate.
Definitely, but you can have
We are there.
Hello, sir. There is a lot of echo on your end.
That will be there. Okay. Now
So
we
you
have
turn off your mic at
the
least.
advantage of this, otherwise there is no other way. But when you are hearing my voice directly, then we can stop this. I think sometimes you can make it a zero sound, then see whether my voice is audible or not. Meanwhile, I will just go further. This is our cloud control laboratory. Here we do a lot of testing used for designing of our mining method. Now these are typical situations in underground mines, you see, where site fall and site stitching require some time, and how our beloved miners are working. We as engineers and mining technologies should make, we should say, innovative application of latest knowledge to improve the condition further. Already many innovative methods are implemented. This shows typical conditions. And you see a junction when there was a fall with cable bolting. This belongs to long back Ministry of Coal project in SECL, Southeastern Coalfield, in 19. When I was a scientist at CSIR, that was 2.2 crores project in experimenting a new method of mining, 6 cable bolting. These are some floor heave problems you can see. So how that flow? This belongs to Goleti mine, some mine there, where because of clay, this type of flooring was happening. And this is another Pixie mining. That is where with cable bolting it was experimented. This photo belongs to 1989 when I was a scientist there. But as I told you, you are not allowed to enter inside the go. This is almost like a go. But only scientists are allowed to do nonsense to develop new science. That is this. But you should not emulate this as a general person. Right. So these are different situations of how supports, if not properly designed, what happens. And you see this is another support with one of my PhD scholars from electronics. And such a big shield support, how it appears on the surface. This is a Chinese make in Singareni-Nikol, this mine. And this is how it appears inside our machinery. And this is the instrumentation, how it appears. And in the panel, how that instrumentation is installed. And this gives the picture of that 1989. A new method, later it came as Indian mining law also. For fixing mining, when all failures were experienced in blasting gallery method in Chora and East Katra at that time. And these are different views, of course, already you have seen the mine. And the face spranks, you can see how it appears when you are entering in the long wall panel at the face. And these are different machinery, and this is that machinery thing. But now here, just I would like to show you a little. In the next class, we will continue. This is the video of underground mining investigations as a part of Ministry of Coal projects. Experimental file of 3 contiguous coals. Now I am playing. Now you just see. Are you able to see anything? You have to
So
respond.
can't hear anything, sir.
Very nice. This is what is underground coal mining means. You cannot see anything in underground. Okay?
Yes, yes.
Hello? Right. Now let me show you the light. throw some more light on underground coal mining method. This is your own light, your own knowledge, your own intelligence, your own vision, mission will drive you to solve the problems of underground coal mining and make our country Atmanirbhar, make India, digital India. Okay, all these things I expect from you, my
We can
beloved.
only pick
Now
some
you
few points,
see
sir.
further playing this. I will not show everything today, but you see. Are you able to see?
So we can see only coins and now Albert Einstein.
That's right. He is none other than Deputy Chief Controller Mojumdar, who was working with me in Kolkata now. Now you see something is written here, 2 scene, 3 scene. So this is a 3 scene where instruments installed, barrier pillar at 29 deep, half 8 and half 11. You are entering inside the mine, and now he is one of my scientists long back. Now he settled in Canada, right? Damodar Reddy. And he used to help with me in many projects in measuring all these, helping in scientific investigation. You see how it is being done inside the mine. Yes, a mine when you are entering. You see from one seam to other seam through something like a tunnel. And a person who is here is a general manager, Narayana now, who used to work there as a safety officer at that time. Well, how it appears. I am not showing everything. So now you see how the supports are appearing here. I don't know whether you are able to hear the voice in that. There is a voice in the video itself. Are you able to hear the voice in that video?
Sir, your voice is not at all clear, sir.
Okay, right. It's okay, no problem. In fact, that was being discussed with all officials in Telugu language in between Hindi and English. So everybody may not be able to understand also. I'm just showing you how these different support systems appears here. So sir, mera dadi tha. These are different people, then how these workings appear. In fact, I would like to show you how that goof and other things appear here. You see,
The
this is
slide
the
is
goof
also stuck, sir.
goof and support, and inside, I am taking you inside the goof. But you should
So
not enter.
we are
Now
on a
you
test
see,
stage.
after the fall, major fall in the mine, caving, goof, this is the way how it appears. Now you should plan for it. That is what is
So
underground coal
it's time for our
mining.
next class.
And these are different type of support. Here I will close it. These are our total group who are now general managers and deputy chief controllers. And how our beloved miners are there. He is our Atul Gandhi. He is a chief now, who was a research associate with me long back in Goldier and KSK other companies. So this is what just I wanted to show you, my beloved students. Now I am going back. Now you can summarize. To summarize answers. Summarize.
So it's time for our next class, sir. It has started.
I know that. Within 10 seconds you summarize. Who is summarizing?
Sir, I'll summarize.
Very nice. Excellent. Do it.
Yes, sir. So we had a virtual tour using photographs of UG coal mines, which had multiple.
Continue. Okay, it's okay. okay, if there is any connected problem in next classes. So here we will stop it. All the best. Take care of COVID-19. Help your parents. Right? Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Utkal Janani, and Jai NIT Rourkela. All the best. We will close it. I appreciate who was summarizing the name. Nikita.
So, yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay. If you want to say something, you can tell it. If there is any problem, it wise, don't worry. Nikita summarized. Anything more you want to say? Today, I tried to take you people to underground mines of Langwal and Blasting Gallery panels, where we did a lot of investigations showing the photographs of the Deccan incline, the Decate incline, and a little bit about one of the prestigious projects which was done as a Ministry of Coal. First time in international mining scenarios, 3 scenes simultaneously. That video, we will be continuing that with further discussion on our syllabus in the next class. All the best. Shall I close it now? With your, I think now my voice is clear. Shall I close now? So I am
Yes, sir.
stopping
Yes, sir.
recording now. All the best. We will meet in the next class. Any doubt, you can also write to me through mail, through WhatsApp, already group, and also in this MS Team, Matrix. There are so many ways, anytime. And I wish that you should learn the best of the best in underground coal mining in India, if not in the world. All the best, my beloved students. Right. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Jai Utkal Janani.
Thank you, sir.
And Jai NIT
Thank you, sir.
Rourkela. I am stopping recording now. Okay.